Well, how about an almost new Corvette, just 7,000 miles, 2021 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 2LT Coupe. This car has just 7,948 miles, and it is priced to sell. If you've been looking at one of these, this could be the deal for you. Absolutely beautiful car, torch red on the exterior, adrenaline red interior. It's a beautiful interior. And under the hood, you'll find a 495 horsepower LT2 engine with 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features on this car include the $7,300 2LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always tell you this includes the heads-up display, Bose 14-speaker AM/FM XM MP3 stereo. It has steering wheel controls and navigation as well. Has the performance data recorder, auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, heated power folding side mirrors with turn indicators, and that auto-dimming driver's side and blind zone alert as well. Has cross-traffic alert, has wireless phone charging, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter, memory package, has a front view camera as well. Front lift adjustable height with memory, multi-mode exhaust, magnetic selective ride control, G2 seats are on this car, and carbon flash wheels as well. Composite black rockers, engine appearance package, edge red engine cover, black custom splash guards, black lug nuts, dual power seats, remote start, Bluetooth package, dry sump oiling, keyless entry and start. Everything on this car is power, and it is just absolutely beautiful. These new Corvettes are just tremendous, and this is a fabulous car for you to take a look at. If you want to know the pricing on this car and see more beautiful pictures, click the link below this video and it'll take you right to the website and you'll see all of that information. This is a beautiful car, inside and out. It has that factory carbon flash wheels are in very excellent condition. And the interior of this car, as you can see, it's just exactly what it should be. A very new car, a great savings. And remember, this C8 has that factory 5-year, 60,000 powertrain warranty remaining. And our price, click the link below and you see it. You're going to be very surprised with this car. If you'd like to know more about this Corvette or any of our Corvettes here in stock at buyavette.net, give one of our sales representatives a call, 770-414-5552. We're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We make purchasing a car online something you can do with ease, but more importantly, with confidence. So give us a call. We can ship anywhere in the United States, a lot less expensive than you can imagine. Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon.